Today, we got a package.
Get down.
Always asking me what I got on. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What's good, YouTube? My name is Benedict. We're back here with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing Yeezy LUNDMARK 350 V2s. Yeah, I got the name. Yeah. But first of all, hold on. Let me go grab my knife. Grab it under. Don't worry, guys. I didn't do what I did last time. Today I actually did not open it because I remember last time, my last video, I was prancy and I was gonna open it, but I was like, wait, hold on. Let's open it together so we get the same reaction. I've been looking at pictures. Obviously, I mean, I think everyone has probably been looking at pictures. Plus, I'm not really too much of a Yeezy fan. Like personally, I only own 2 pairs of Yeezys. That's the blue tint and then the bread ones, the bread editions, or the blue red, whatever you call them. But yes, let's rip this open. Yo, I love opening new stuff. I don't know if it's just me or if that's like a weird addiction for me, or like it's everyone. But I love opening new stuff. And okay, let's see here. Quickly unbox these things, and right off the back, we see it, the 350, same box. I think it's time for a new change. I don't know. But don't you think so, Kanye? Let's put that out of the box. Yep, Yeezy V2 size 12. If you're wondering and you wanted to send me anything. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, this is the shoes, 350 Boost 350 V2s, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Oh. Huh. That's weird because I actually like the color. I was gonna say, like, I thought, like, from the pictures I see online, it just kind of looks weird, but then to be honest, this is not a bad color. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so speechless. I don't really know what to say. Probably because, like, they're just Yeezys. I don't know if it's just me, but like Yeezys don't really they don't seem to like tickle my fancy, really, to be honest. Like, I believe that these are like, I mean, they're clean, they're like a really clean silhouette. I feel like you can really like rock these with like in different styles and all that. Everything is pretty much the same, to be honest, guys. I feel like I mean, a couple of weeks ago, I think I stumbled on like the ones where like people would customize and flip the shoes inside out, and I feel like those ones will honestly look better. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, let me see. Let's take this part out. Let's see. Yeah, there's really no difference in this. If you've owned Yeezys, like it's pretty much like a basic Yeezy shoe. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see what else is. Let me see what else is in the box. And yeah, for the other foot, it's like, you see, okay, actually I just noticed something that's pretty cool. The bottom of the shoes right here, they're like a different shade from these. I feel like this will help, especially for us, people that go to like, I'll say Nigerians, but then people that, if you go to like a region that like has a lot of sand, you could hide these like pretty well and go a couple of days without having to clean your shoes. So I don't know, that's just like a slight like observation. But then as for the other feet, same thing, really nothing different. It's just basic Yeezys. And what else is in the box? I would guess nothing, because Yeezys usually don't have a lot. For a price of $220, if you were able to get it on the first day, this is like a shoe for personal couples, I believe. They were on, like I said in my predictions, they were on retail. They retailed for, I believe, $220. Yeah, $220. And then like resale price, you can see yourself definitely paying anything close to like 300 for like resale, or like 250, or I don't know. But yeah, for that, well, for the retail price, I believe that the shoes are pretty okay. Like they're like at the end of the day, you know, like Yeezys, I don't want to say Yeezys are dead, but like they're starting to get sick. I don't know, just because like they're kind of releasing a lot of V2s. Like I feel like they come up with one idea and they just keep milking the game, like milking the game. Like, come on, bro. Like, it'll be nice to be more creative sometimes, Kanye. But I'm just saying, I'm not the shoemaker here. I'm not the shoemaker. I only wear shoes.
As for comfortability and like, yeah, I'll give this shoe. I'll give this shoe like a good 5. Because, I don't know. I on Yeezys I usually get like a size 12, and then apparently these shoes, they don't actually seem to be. I mean, maybe I feel like you probably need to break into them, but as for the like fit, I feel like they fit pretty. They're supposed to fit pretty well, but it's just something that's not like I don't know what the word is, but it's just not doing the job for me. But
hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think about the Yeezy LUNDMARK V2, whatever it's called. But let me know what you think about the shoes. If it's your first time watching my video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and then turn on post notifications so you know every time I post a video, and share it with your friends. That's the most important thing. And enjoy the rest of your day. Stay cozy.